Welcome to today's lesson. I'm Ping, and we're going to learn some essential Mandarin Chinese together. Let's get started. Our first word is week. In Chinese, 星期. The pinyin is x n kuai kuai. Let's say it together. 星期. Next, Monday. In Chinese, 星期一, pinyin x n q y. Can you repeat it? 星期一.
Next, Tuesday. In Chinese, 星期二. Pinyin. Xinqiuer. Can you repeat it? 星期二. Next, Wednesday. In Chinese, 星期三. Pinyin x/q san. Can you repeat it? 星期三.
Next, Saturday. In Chinese, 星期六. Pinyin x n q 六. Can you repeat it? And our last word is Sunday. In Chinese, 星期日. Pinyin x n q 日. Excellent work, 星期日. Thanks for learning Chinese with me today. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson.